Hey guys, this is Pac from Vancouver Dent Pro. This is a dent repair for an 8-inch crease on an aluminum AMG Mercedes. The damage goes underneath the emblem a little bit, and you can see the edge is affected there. As you can see, this is pretty much a brand new car, and this is a hood setup with a couple of hood props to keep it nice and rock solid for steady pushing. I've got the emblem off so I can clean up underneath it, and that's my access point. I've got a Stanliner sword tool in there. It's a 1/2-inch shave tool. I usually like to use as large tool as I can get in there so I can focus more on finesse instead of trying to power out the dents. And this way, this is how we can keep the repair nice and clean. This is a pen with the reference light. As you can see, the crease is gone now. We're gonna zoom in, take a look at the texture. This is right at the edge with it tapped out, so the hard edge is all smoothed out, all the while saving the natural texture of the paint. And this is what it looks like in the natural light. Panning across all the different lines, you see that everything is nice and smooth. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and take care.